You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. Yes, and I've seen other videos on other pronunciation channels, if you can call them that way, that are confused. It's generally pronounced in English as Janiyah. Okay, so this is a name of Arabic origin, meaning God is gracious, and it's particularly common in the United States, but it's generally quite American, a name. Janiyah, Janiyah, which is the most common pronunciation. If you pronounce it in other ways, Janiyah, let us know in the comments, so at least everybody know. But generally, Janiyah. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.